Namaste to everyone. Thank you so much. It was wonderful. Namaste to everyone. I think today is the best day to wish our saviors. And I think for me, every day is a doctor's day because I have been associated with the healthcare industry for last 35 years. So, it's like every day is a doctor's day. I have seen closely what they do to all of us, to our families, to bring the smiles back onto our faces. When I was just driving to hospital, I wrote few words. Only a doctor is blessed with the magical powers to treat a life, to bring health into our lives, and to be there with us when we have lost all the hopes. A very, very happy Doctor's Day, sir. I mean what I said. And at a personal note, I think I should say, I have been with all of you for last 30 years, sir. I celebrated my 30th birthday just few days ago. So, yes, I have been with you all of you for last 30 years. And sir, thank you so much for grooming me what I am today. I think it's you who have groomed me, and whatever I am today, it is completely I owe to all of you. Thank you so much for everything. And on behalf of Apollo Hyderabad, we salute you. You are our true heroes. Thank you so much. Can I request Dr. Jairam to say?
My association with this hospital is, I think I'm about 3 years older than you, Subramaniam. 3 years older than you. So I've been here now for the last 33 years. And every moment of my time here I have enjoyed. And not only that, my association with all my colleagues here, I have come to know some of the finest people you can ever meet and communicate with. And the thing about Doctor's Day, I just want to tell the lay public that no doctor would do anything to damage his patient. Whatever he does with the best of his ability. And whatever ability he has, he will do for his patient. There are faults sometimes happening, but there are ways to take care of those. So please don't become violent towards them. They are all here to help you. And that's the only message I would like to send to everybody, that we are never here to harm you. And it is only to make you better, of course. And we have taken this vocation because it is a very noble profession. And we bring a person who is sick, make him stand again. And that is one of the greatest achievements that one can have in public life. And thank you very much.
A very good morning. On the occasion of Doctor's Day, I wish each one and everyone around, and the team which supports us. We are the face for the patient, but actually behind the scenes are the entire staff, nurses, and the team which support us to make our patients happy. I personally cherish being a doctor and loved every moment of my life being a doctor. We would love to get more and more earnings in the term of blessings. We are not here to make money. Money is part of the routine that we have to survive. We need money, but our primary motto is to earn blessings. Somebody said, Dr. Vijayanand, why don't you start your own hospital? You will make more and more money, 100 times more than what you're earning today. But being a doctor, taking an oath of becoming a doctor, is to serve the patient, to earn more blessings. That's our main motto, not the motto of making money. So trust, belief, and the love and the gratitude that the patients give us today is what we cherish every moment. Thank you for being with us. God bless you.
Greetings to all. We actually, it's difficult to be among these shining stars, you understand. So, we actually are basking in reflected glory, reflected light. The reflected light comes from our wonderful staff. I'll especially say housekeeping and nurses who have made tremendous difference. Who have really made tremendous difference. For 10% of our contribution, the 90% contribution comes from them. And we really appreciate and acknowledge their presence. There are lots of non-medical staff, and no organization can run without them. Although every organization will think doctors are the most important, but the background, I see all the board, food, beverage, HR, security, marketing, nothing can exist. They are required. They are required to keep you in the good mind and the spirit. And for me, especially in the corridor, when I have some exchanges, I get rejuvenated. Sometimes exchanges are very interesting. So thanks a lot. I really appreciate all of you. I think this day does not belong to doctor. It belongs to the medical community, whether they are in a medicine or paramedical or otherwise. It is a day for medicine community and it should be celebrated as such. Thank you.
Thank you, doctor. Thank you. Thank you so much for everything. And anyone would like to say anything?
One lady doctor.
One lady.
So here starts the gender bias, huh? Which I always keep in the back of my mind that many times maybe, but no, it's just kidding. I think as a woman and as a doctor, the kind of respect we get from the society is tremendous. So I really appreciate everybody around us to take us at par with any male surgeon or a male doctor and give us the same regard because we make the same effort. So thank you everybody for giving us this opportunity to be with you today. And I echo Dr. Ranjan's that our job cannot be done without each and one of you. So we really appreciate everybody's effort in the hospital for making us do our job better. And thank you so much for that.
I think it's very, very truly said. I think each one of you are the pillars of this organization, as doctor said. But for you, I think what we are today, we are not. So I think wonderful occasion. Thank you so much for everyone. And I request Poonam to just propose a word of thanks.
Thank you all of you. Thank you, sir. I just would like to thank all our doctors. They are, as the cake river, you make a big difference in the lives of patients across the nation and world every single day. We would like to acknowledge you all with our heartful thanks. Thank you for being the dedicated, thoughtful, and compassionate doctors that you all are. You are always going above and beyond and work tirelessly towards a healthy outcome. We feel blessed to be in Apollo with all the wonderful doctors like you and this doctor and medical team with Apollo. Thank you so much. Thank you all of you. We would like to thank the Telangana State Police Band for such a wonderful and a memorable day on this Doctor's Day. Thank you, sir.
We'd like to thank all the press who are present here. And thank you so much, all of you. Thank you so much. And
So everybody thumbs up photo.
No, please.
Super sir, thumbs up photo. Tejasvi, come on.